You know what that means. Doing a little bit of pond fishing today. Got the fly rod with a worm on it here. Just trying to see if I can get any smalls. Oh, there goes a fish right there. Big green sunfish. Big boy. Let's get him off the hook and get him back in the water. There he is. Big boy. That's actually the best bait. We may actually keep this dude for bait. We're doing a little bit of catfishing tonight. Make some awesome bait right there. We got some rods out with some shad on them for some catfish. Let's see if this pond is hopping. Another one on a fly rod, guys. Another one on a fly rod. I see him blowing up over here. Another green sunfish. Nice chunk of a sunfish. We'll let that one go. Got him. Oh no. Nope. That's a little guy. Perfect size for bait. Tired of messing around. It's time to catch a catfish. And this is how you do it. Little green sunny. You know they want that. There we go. I'll be over there for him. He's still pissed. That'll rile the rest of them up now. That was on the shad. Oh, there he is. Got him. That's not a big one, but it's a nice one.
Yeah, no doubt.
Good looking fish right there.
Definitely. Slab.
I don't know where my phone is. I get a picture of this thing. Oh God.
Oh.
Dog. Got him?
Good enough for you?
Alright. There you go, little dude. Gone. And all I did was pull that line and then let off, and he smoked it. He saw it move and was like, hey, that's dinner. Oh gosh. Where's he going? There he goes. If I'm a flashlight. This one's pulling a lot harder. It's not much bigger. It's just got a lot bigger head on it. Got a big old gaping mouth on it. Oh, maybe it is bigger. Yeah. Look at that god-awful head. Thing's got a monster head on it. Look at that mouth. That's a big old male. They got a huge mouth on them for some reason.
Because he plans on getting a whole lot bigger, I'd imagine.
Yeah. There he is. Yeah. That's the third one I latched onto. Second one I landed. Oh. It's definitely not the same fish as the first one.
Yeah.
But look at that mouth, man.
I bet that looks crazy to him.
For a pond fish,
Yeah.
that's a chunk.
Make a hell of a flashlight.
Yeah. God. Yeah, if you want to skint.
Yeah, yeah.
He's looking a little skinny though. Normally they're a little bit. No, normally they're a little bigger out here. He's kind of long and skinny. Surely he's been feeding them though. There he goes. Nice. Yep. Right in the middle of the road. What are you doing, guy? You just let me pick him right on up. He's not even moving.
Probably a little cold.
He's definitely a little bit cold. But he's okay. Oh, there he goes. Poor guy. Here. Run away. Be free.
Yeah, he's garbait now.
Yep. What'd you catch?
Top minnow.
Oh.
Really violently.
Oh yeah. Am I recording still? Did you eat that?
He's
What
gone.
the hell?
He's gone.
The
Just swallowed it. Steve-O, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, dude.
That's even strong for me.
Yeah,
Man.
look, he's right there. Get out of here.
Yeah, I can't. I don't know what I just did.
Is that
Dude.
count as molesting?
I hope I didn't get that on video. Am I recording still?
Probably.
Yeah, it's red.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
That was a big end puma.
That was like a 30
That was
incher.
huge. Yeah, dude, his head was just sticking out and that was
good
it.
fun.
We gotta come back.
He'll come back.
We gotta come back to this spot.
Drop it right there.
Big bowfin right here. Bowfin right here. Did he eat it?
Oh, he's turned
No,
around
that
for
was
it.
his
That's
tail.
He turned around for it. Keep jigging it.
Is that right in front of his face
That's
or what?
right in the area. Yeah, he's looking for it. He's on it. He's about to get it.
I see him.
You got it.
Oh, he got it. I'm gonna let him eat it.
Got
Let-
it.
let
Get
him
him
eat.
up on that bank. He's got it. Don't let him cut you.
Got him.
Use that, Frank.
Yeah, boy. Get that flip.
Got one!
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
He got you.
That's
Oh,
right,
he's got me
that's right.
hung.
D for the save, DM for the save.
Got him. Sweet. I'm in the weeds.
Sort of. That's a pretty bowfin.
Got him, boy.
Let's go. That was awesome to watch.
Yeah, dude. Here, I'm trying to get you through that.
Hell yeah, brother.
Very nice. Oh, feet are wet. There's not stopping.
Oh, dude, he spun that thing up.
He swallowed her too.
Yes.
He come off?
Yeah, dude, his whole bottom is turning green.
Gorgeous.
Oh, wow, he is. He does look like a pickle.
Oh,
Out of here.
He's gone.
I did get a picture.
awesome.
That's all.
Bait's gone. I gotta go get more bait.